So here are the issues with the Litepro folding bike that I recently purchased. As you can tell, when I've unboxed this, you can see that the packaging is all damaged, all the foam is broken. It created a huge mess in my room and I had to vacuum and do a lot of cleanup. But most importantly, you can see that the chain is completely broken. It is not attached properly. The bottom line is that I'm not able to attach the chain properly because some components are broken or bent out of shape, as you can tell. For example, when I initially tried to unfold the bike, I noticed that there was a lot of tension on the chain, which caused a screw to snap and break off. The next major defect is that this folding bike does not get locked into place when folded. You're supposed to be able to hold the bike and not have it automatically open, but in my case, when I try to lift the bike by the seat, you can see that it unfolds, and that's because the locking mechanism is broken as well. So the front wheel hook, which is responsible for latching on to the frame, looks like it's broken. I've documented all these issues, and I hope that Litepro customer support can help me with this. Because this was an expensive purchase and I'm very disappointed in the end. Thank you for watching, and please let me know if you can help me in any way.